Have you ever wanted to create something fun? Well, today I'm going to show you how to build this awesome TNT cannon step by step. It's super easy and works perfectly in any version of Minecraft. So grab your blocks and let's get started. First, find a nice open space where you won't accidentally blow up your build. Got it? Great. Here's what you'll need. Dispensers, Redstone Dust, Redstone Repeaters, Slabs any type A, water bucket, iron blocks. Start by placing 3 dispensers in a U-shape, just like this. Then add some solid blocks, like iron blocks, on top and at the back. This will be the frame of your cannon. Next, connect all the dispensers with redstone dust. This is going to ignite the TNT when we fire it. Don't forget to place a slab at the front and add water on top of it to protect the cannon from blowing itself up. Now, place redstone repeaters leading to the dispensers. Adjust the delay to control the timing of the TNT explosion. This step is crucial for making sure your cannon fires correctly. Finally, load each dispenser with TNT. Place a button or lever to activate the cannon, and you're ready to go. Just stand back, press the button, and watch the fireworks. Boom! Look at that. You've built a powerful TNT cannon that's perfect for battles or just some good old fun in your world. Thanks for building with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and subscribe for more Minecraft creations. Got any ideas for what to build next? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting.